Here are the top 3 adventures to do in California. Number 3. Jet ski to Catalina, a must-do trip for all those who love adventure and water. And the waters are the calmest during the winter, so now is as good of a time as any. Number 2. Jet ski to Catalina. This trip is everything you need and more. Fun, exciting, unforgettable, and the dolphins are the cherry on top. And our number 1 best adventure in California is, drumroll please, jet ski to Catalina. What an outstanding adventure this one is. The wildlife is beautiful, Catalina Island is magical, and it's completely guided, so you just have to sit back and enjoy the ride.